Welcome everyone to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. As we get started here, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so let's start off with the S&P 500. Let me get rid of this orange bar. Perfect. All right, so a little bit of a bounce today after yesterday's debacle. Up, down, close out low on the day. Slightly lower low today, it looks like in there. Yep, slightly lower low on the day. We're closing, we still have about 15 minutes left, but if we close right where we are, we're bearish neutral bias, but an easy move to bull, right? To just get above the 21 there. So we're not that far off. It's all going to come down to recent swing highs and recent swing lows, right? We've got our recent swing low here. That's the key on that side. And for the bullish side, we need to clear this recent swing high. If we can get above that 51.2349, it puts us back in not only in bullish territory, but a bullish feel that we've made a process on our chart to get above that recent swing high. So there's three stocks today. We're going to do them in alphabetical order. We're going to start off with DG, right, which is Dollar General. So let's go back and look at the fib. Okay, overall nice fib back from July, so it's a good length of time. I'm going to zoom this back in now. We're closing, again, we have 15 minutes, 14 minutes left until we do. 138-ish is where the stock is, well, right now 137.32. 138 is resistance. I've got a good bearish bias on this, true bear. All moving averages are in the right order. I don't really have a lot of move to the upside, so I'm going to look for downside only on this. So break to the downside, get me down to 137, 136.5, something. Just move down a little bit. Come on up, not all the way up to 138, but get up near it. And I don't mean pennies. If you get up to 137.5, I'm good. Roll over, and then 129.59 is support. Somewhere above there is going to be a target, 130.5, 131. Somewhere is what we're looking at for a target. So you've got $5 or $6 move to the downside here. So overall, not too shabby. Next, we've got Pepsi, PEP, P-E-P. Put some pep in your step, right? Let's see. So here's the overall fib. We are in a true bullish bias. We are at a rank of 1, moving average and fib line confluence. Once again, can I trade the downside? Maybe. Let's look at this one on the upside first. So I need to check here. 75 to 81 is 6. We don't need a fib in there. So we're sitting at 175.67. Move up a little bit, retest that 175.59 and bounce. 181.5 is resistance. So right about 180-ish is going to be target. 179.5, 181. You pick your target. I'm giving you ideas of how I'd be looking at this as a potential, right? So I like PepsiCo a lot as a potential bullish move. Oh, my bad. Bearish. Could you trade it bearish? Yes. You're going to draw a line wherever the 21 moving average closes. Right now it's at 173.21. We draw a line there, and that would be our support. So 174.5 would be our target. So do we have enough? The answer is I don't think so. So I'm going to pass on the bearish trade on this, only looking to take a bullish on Pepsi. Right? And then last one is Tesla. Elon, baby. I love the comeback. I love the gap up, the pullback, and the bounce. I just did a TikTok on this today on, is a breakout a good trade to take? It's not. It's just not. For me. For you, it might be. For me, it's not. A pullback is a better setup for me. And I've got proofs in the pudding for us. So we're sitting right now about that 180.06. If we can get the bounce, we've got 190 as resistance. Man, 188, 188.5. Great target on the upside there for Tesla. All right, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in our next update. Bye for now.